You just purchased some aquarium plants, they're tissue cultures, they're potted plants, and you want to know how to get them ready for your new setup that you just scaped. Well, I'm going to go through and show you exactly how you prepare your tissue cultures and potted plants before you add them into your aquarium. So let's go through and show you exactly how you can do that. All right, so I've already gotten some ready, but here is a good example of a potted plant. This is the Anubis chili. And all you have to do for these ones that are potted within basically like a microfiber cloth is open this thing up. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this out of the cup that it's in. And it has this cloth here, and slowly pull it apart. You can see where they've already kind of cut it to place it in here. And basically what you're able to do is pull this root system out. Now, as it grows through the fibers here, you just want to make sure there's no additional fibers on the root system and the rind. So this is the root system here. You can't really see the rinds on this one, but they're right here. Here's another one. And then you have the leaf system itself. Let's see if I can find a good. Here's the rhizome. So here's a good example of the rhizome. Roots, then you have your leaves. So this is the jalapeno. I already was doing some here, same thing, pulling this out, and you can see how there's still some cloth on this rhizome here. So just delicately pulling it off of the root that it grew into. Perfect. And then for your tissue cultures, right? So it comes in this gel. This gel is nutrient rich, allowing the plant to grow. So in order to get this off, all I'm going to do is open this thing up. And as you can tell, I've already done some here for this tank build that I'm doing, but lightly, you can use tweezers if you want to as well. Delicately pull these out. You can do it that way. I'm not that delicate, so what I'll do is I'll just typically do this till it all comes out. Usually the gel is a lot easier. I mean, I guess you could just scoop it like that. This one was pretty well compacted, which is good because then it can sit in here for a while. But as you can see, there's gel on the root systems. Some people use like a cup. Oops, sorry. Some people use a cup. All I'm gonna do is grab my nozzle sprayer and just spray to get that gel away. That works for me. Sorry, because that's gonna be loud, but that works for me. And the gel's all removed. Then I just place it right here in my container. This just allows me to know as I'm making build videos for you which ones are what as I'm going through, since I don't know all of these names. But basically then I'll just set it here, bring it into my tank build. These are buces, and these feed off the water column, so they're epiphytes. But again, just make sure you remove all the gel. If you don't get it all out, that's fine, but you probably should. Meaning fine, if there's like a little piece floating, you can grab it out. But this large amount of gel that's stuck, you want to get rid of it. And again, we are good. So just like that, this one is ready. So I think that's all. I got a couple more I gotta do, so we'll go through and do those too. Alrighty, so hopefully you found that helpful. We went through and showed you how you can clean out your tissue cultures, how you unpot your potted plants, and removed some of that microfiber that it's got stuck to the roots. Hopefully you found this video helpful on quickly going through and preparing your plants for your new aquascape. And until next time, well, wait, no, make sure you check out my latest video. And now, until next time, I'll see you all on the next tip video.